Renting an apartment in Portugal, whether in Lisbon, Porto or other cities, involves several steps. Here's a concise guide for a foreigner. Research and budget. Begin by researching different neighborhoods in Portugal and establishing a budget for your rental. Consider factors like proximity to amenities, public transportation, and lifestyle preferences. Online platforms. Utilize online platforms such as Idealista, OLX, or dedicated rental websites to browse available apartments. These platforms offer a wide range of options and often include detailed property information. Local real estate agencies. Connect with local real estate agencies as they can provide assistance, especially if you're not fluent in Portuguese. They can help navigate the process and language barriers. Prepare documentation. Gather necessary documents, including proof of income, identification, and possibly a local guarantor. Some landlords may request references or a rental history. View apartments. Schedule viewings of the shortlisted apartments. If you're unable to visit in person, request virtual tours or additional photos to assess the property. Negotiate lease terms. Negotiate rental terms, including lease duration, monthly rent, and any required deposits. Be clear on maintenance responsibilities and utility payments. Sign the lease agreement. Review the lease agreement thoroughly before signing. Seek clarification on any terms you don't understand and ensure it complies with Portuguese rental laws. Payment. Make the required payments, including the security deposit and first month's rent. Some landlords may request additional fees, so clarify the payment structure. Move-in inspection. Conduct a move-in inspection with the landlord, documenting any existing damages or issues. This will be crucial when moving out. Set up utilities. Establish utility accounts in your name, including electricity, water, and internet. Ensure smooth transition by coordinating with service providers.